This video will show you how to search for a Team Nutrition Child and Adult Care Food Program or CACFP organization, how to download a Team Nutrition CACFP organization certificate, how to update the information on the enrollment form, and how to close a Team Nutrition CACFP organization. Let's first start with how you can search for an existing Team Nutrition CACFP organization. To search, click the Find a Team Nutrition CACFP organization button on the home page. There are several ways for you to search for a CACFP organization. You can click on the link Find Your Organization on the main navigation or on the Access button Find a Team Nutrition CACFP organization. You can also perform a search using the main search bar in the hero image. On this page, you can find an organization by typing its name, the city, the state, and/or the zip code, and click on Search to see the results. Organization name and city are autocomplete text boxes that enables you to quickly find and select from a pre-populated list of names as you type. In our example, we're looking for the ABC Daycare. By typing AB in the organization name text box, a list of different values is displayed, and we can select the organization we are looking for. Clicking on Search will display the search results. The search results show the organization name, its address, and a button to view or update the organization. The name of the organization allows you to view the organization page as well. If no organization is found under your search criteria, you can try removing filters or check if the spelling is correct, or try searching a single word and avoid using abbreviations. If your organization is not listed, click on the Join Team Nutrition CACFP Organizations button to sign up your organization. To reset the search, click the Reset button. You'll be redirected to the empty search page. Now let's see how to download a Team Nutrition certificate of enrollment. Once you complete a search and find your organization, you need to click the View Update button or on the name of the organization. You will be redirected to the Organization Enrollment Form page on the View tab. At the bottom of the form, there is a section named Team Nutrition Certificate with a link to download the certificate. When you click on the link, a new window opens up and the certificate is displayed. This certificate has the name of the organization and the date of enrollment. Here is an example of how the certificate looks. Next, we'll see how to update the information on the Team Nutrition CACFP organization enrollment form. To update your organization information, you can click on the button Update Your Information in the home page or go to the Update tab in the enrollment form found in the search page. You will be redirected to the search page so you can look for your organization. Enter your organization information and click on Search. Once you have found your organization in the search result list, you need to click on the name or on the button View Update. In our example, we are updating information for ABC Daycare. On the organization page, you can review the information on the form. You can also go back by clicking on the button Back to the search page at the bottom of the form. To update the information, click on the Update CACFP Organization tab. In our example, we are updating the number of sites under the Organization section and the Age Group section. When you finish updating the form, please make sure to review the information you provided before submitting it. Then click on the button Update. A submission confirmation message is displayed, and an email will be sent out to the email addresses for the primary and the alternate point of contact that you provided. The email will confirm that the application has been submitted and will be reviewed within 10 business days. If required information is missing, the system will display an error message with the fields that need to be reviewed. And now let's see how to close a Team Nutrition CACFP organization. To close your organization, you need to click on the Close CACFP Organization tab right next to the Update tab after taking the same steps as previously shown to update the organization information. Check the box Close, add the closing date, and a note to explain the reason for the organization closing, and then click on Submit. A submission confirmation message is displayed, and an email will be sent out to the email addresses for the primary and the alternate point of contact that you provided. The email will confirm that the application has been submitted and will be reviewed within 10 business days. If you need additional assistance, please email us at teamnutrition@usda.gov.